Welcome to the SeedLinked Platform. Today I'm covering how to get started with the SeedLinked app on your smartphone or tablet. To begin using the SeedLinked app, you'll need to download it onto your device. The SeedLinked app is available for both Apple and Android, and it is free to download. Today I'm using my iPhone, so I'll go to the App Store and search for SeedLinked. Once I find the SeedLinked app, I'll simply click on the download button. Now that the app is downloaded on your device, you're going to want to log in to your account. Open the app and log in. If you do not already have a SeedLinked account, you'll need to sign up first before you can log in. Also, please note that you must be connected to the internet the first time you log into your account on the app. Once logged in, you'll land on the Explore tab. On the bottom of the screen, you can see the main tabs on the app: Feed, Explore, Wishlists, Track, and Results. Our Explore tab is where you search for seeds. The seed search has many filters that can be helpful to you. Search by market class. For example, you can choose which market class of tomatoes you'd like to search. Search for organic seed. Use this slider in the search and it will filter for only organic seed. This can be helpful for certified organic growers who are doing their organic seed search. Search for traits. You can pick traits that matter to you and filter the results. Looking for the best tasting tomato? Set flavor to no less than 4 stars. Looking for great yield? Set yield to no less than 4 stars. Search for disease resistance. Looking for resistance to a specific disease? Use this filter. And we have more filters to explore. Click on Filter and sort results by days to maturity, treated, pelleted, in stock, open pollinated, or hybrid. Once you decide on the parameters for your search, you can search and view the results. Click on a variety to view more information. On each variety page you can view ratings by trait, sort by hardiness zone, and find in-stock seed from different distributors. Then you can click through to the distributor's website. When you find seed you're interested in, you can create and save them to a wish list. A wish list lets you save the varieties you are most interested in for later and lets you compare them head to head so you can decide which ones you'd like to purchase and grow. You can access your wish list through the Wishlists tab. If you'd like to compare varieties head to head, you can use our variety comparison tool. Open a wish list you've created, then select Compare on the bottom right. Select at least 2 varieties you'd like to compare, then click Add 4 to a compare. On the variety comparison page, you can select traits that are important to you and view the trait and overall ratings side by side so you can find the best variety for your specific conditions. Next, let's look at what you can do on the Track tab. On the bottom menu, click on Track. On the top of this tab, you can toggle between trial invites and plantings. In trial invites, you can accept or reject invitations to collaborative trials that you've been invited to. The Plantings tab is where you can enter reviews for collaborative trials or plantings that you've made for reviewing your own garden varieties. To enter a review for a planting, click on the planting that you'd like to review. This is the page where you submit your reviews for this planting. Please note that you do not need to fill out all your reviews at once. We encourage you to come back to the planting throughout the season and review the traits applicable at that time. As you can see on my profile, this is a planting of beefsteak tomatoes that I am growing this year. Let's go through entering reviews and information for this planting. Traits. To rate a given trait, click the number of stars you'd like to give each variety. Feel free to add a comment to give more detail to your rating by clicking the arrow button to the right of the star ratings. You can rate a trait for a given variety more than once during a season. An example of this would be rating disease resistance at first fruit harvest and adding a second rating for disease resistance at last harvest. You can also add other helpful information to each variety by clicking on the 3 dots to the right of each variety. This allows you to access the following. Track Date button. Be sure you are tracking dates associated with your plantings. Helpful dates to track include planting date, transplant date if applicable, first harvest date, and last harvest date. These dates help us determine the days to maturity for each variety in your growing zone. Image button. Besides adding dates, you can also upload photos of each variety. It can be both fun and helpful to visually catalog your plants throughout the season. Comments button. Besides adding comments with your reviews, you can also add open comments about each variety throughout the season through this button. Report Failure button. If a particular variety dies or cannot be reviewed before you are able to rate any traits, you can remove the variety with this button. Once you've added your reviews, dates, images, and comments, select the Complete Trial button on the bottom of the screen and answer a final few management questions about your planting. Once complete, you're all done. Just remember to hit the Complete button. If you have spotty internet service in the field, the SeedLinked app can be used offline to rate your trials and plantings. To use this feature, you'll need to put your phone in airplane mode so it will stop searching for service. Once in airplane mode, proceed normally entering your reviews. When you get back to a connected location, turn off airplane mode, open your app, and your new data will automatically sync. Please be sure to sync your device and reviews as soon as you are able. To view the results of a trial or planting that you've completed, click on the Results tab. While on this tab, you can search results by crop type or year. Then select a trial or planting you are interested in viewing. Then you can sort the results by trait and by your growing zone. You can use the feed to connect with other farmers and gardeners using SeedLinked. The first version of the feed will be available for anyone participating in a collaborative trial beginning summer 2021. We'll let you know when this feature is available for you to use. Thank you for joining me on this tour of the new SeedLinked app. We hope that you download the app and begin reviewing with your mobile device today. Every rating you add to the SeedLinked platform powers our Seed Explorer and helps our collective growing community find the right seed. If you are having any problems with your profile, please reach out to us at help@seedlinked.com. If you have any feedback on how to make the platform better, share your ideas with us at feedback@seedlinked.com.